Hungry for meal plan ideas? In this video, you learn how to create a 7-day meal plan with an AIPRM prompt. You can customize the food and exclude the things you don't like. The prompt also generates recipes and a shopping list. So why bother with a prompt? The main reason is customization. Sure, the web has lots of diet and fitness information, and some of it is actually helpful. That's what makes this AIPRM prompt so useful. It takes into account your individual tastes, budget, and access to locally available products. Log into ChatGPT, and on the dashboard, click the Public tab. Go to the search field and enter Diet. Select one-click 7-day meal plan. Go to the prompt field and enter Hello to start the workflow. ChatGPT prompts you to enter some information about you and your current physical condition. When you get to question 7, add a list of foods to exclude. When the AI stops, you have a 7-day meal plan. Now here's an option. You can tweak the results. Earlier, I asked the AI to make the plan keto-friendly. Here, I asked the AI to remove some things I don't like. At the end of the output, the prompt asks if you want more information. You can get the recipes for every meal in the plan. At the end of the recipe output, the AI asks if you want a shopping list for the meal plan. Sure. That's it. Now you know how to create a customized meal plan with recipes and a shopping list.